Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and NILATE exam preparation strategy video. So now I hope you are enjoying your preparation of NILATE. Lots of time you will get, so just prepare well for this exam. Okay, second opportunity you are getting for this year, so just use that properly, right? Now 1 month ago I uploaded one video regarding your NILATE preparation strategy. That was your phase 1. Okay, and now this video will be your phase 2. Along with that, lots of things I will tell you regarding your exam pattern and everything. Okay, so this is the updated version I can say of your previous video. Okay, so see, in this video first definitely we will discuss your exam pattern, strategy vagara, phase 2, what are the things are there. Okay, everything we will discuss, no need to worry for that. Let's start the video. Okay, first thing, exam pattern. So now as you know, we have two posts currently. One is scientist B and one is your STA, right? So first thing, that paper is separate for both the branches. Okay, that is scientist B, computer science paper will be separate. Separate means aptitude will be same, but technical part is different. Okay, again for EC guys, paper will be different. For HTA also the paper will be different for computer science and paper will be different from electronics communication. Means electronics will people will read electronics subject, electronics वाले electronics पढ़ेंगे, computer science will do computer science. ठीक है, simple in that. First point. Second point, exam pattern. So for scientist B you will get total 78 question from technical, from your branch computer science electronics, and 42 questions of non-technical. Okay, and total time you will get 3 hours to complete this 120 questions. ठीक है. For STA you will get total 60 questions from technical part and 60 questions from non-technical part, and total time you will get 90 minutes to attempt this 120 questions. Okay, so this is the latest update. Now this you can say tentative exam pattern. Okay, if there is any other change in this, definitely I will notify you guys, but for now you will assume this exam pattern only, or you will consider this exam pattern only. Okay, I hope it's clear that for scientist B both branches have different paper. For ST also different paper, pattern 120 question 3 hour, here 120 question 90 minutes you will get. Negative marking is there in both of the parts. Okay, 0.25 negative marking is there. Okay, sectional cutoff is there for scientist B. STA there is no sectional cutoff, means basic sectional cutoff obviously will be there, but there is no hardcore sectional cutoff will be there. Okay, like 50% for general, like that we have in scientist B. Okay, so this is the exam pattern for your scientist B and STA both the posts. The next thing, that now expected exam date. Okay, when you can expect your NILATE exam. So currently obviously they will take lots of time in that. Okay, so around January to February March you can expect your exam. Okay, if no chance in this year, means 2023, definitely they will go in 24 for that. Okay, so you have at least 2 to 3 months in your hand from today. So just prepare well for your exam, no need to take tension. Okay, 2 to 3 months are enough for your preparation, and obviously previous 2 or 3 months also you have got for that. Okay, I guess this notification we have in August, so September, October, November, December, 4-5 months you have got already. That's enough. Okay, next is phase 2. Now we are moving in phase 2, and for phase 2 I am giving you total 15 days to complete the syllabus, whatever I will mention in that. Okay, now most important thing, our blockwise strategy is already started in your master essay pack. So if you are preparing for seriously for this recruitment, if you are giving your last attempt of this paper, then strictly I will recommend you guys to join master essay pack for computer science and master essay pack for electronics. Okay, already block 1 we have started, so you can join master essay pack and you can follow my blockwise strategy, which is super powerful. Definitely we are covering both of this exam in master essay pack in single fee. Along with that, NIC also is there, ISRO, BRC, means you know the water folders are there. Okay, separate video also I will upload about success pack later, but for now I am giving you quick information regarding our MSP. Okay, okay, so for scientist B exam interview, and for STA exam is there, everything we will cover in your success pack. Okay, so 15 days you will get to complete the syllabus, whatever I will mention now, plus along with that whatever subject we covered in phase 1, that also you will do revision continuously. Okay, revision is most important, so don't neglect this part. So revision you will do continuously. Okay, okay, so we will start branch wise. Okay, first we will discuss non-technical part, which is common for both the branches. So aptitude reasoning we are taking. Okay, which chapters we will do: profit or discount, SICI, board stream, pipe system, partnership. And in reasoning we are taking seating arrangement and non-verbal reasoning. Whole non-verbal reasoning we will take. Okay, paper cutting, paper folding, mirror image, water image, lots of things are there, all we will take in this phase 2. Okay, again references will be same, whatever I have discussed in the last video, that will be same, like for completion of the syllabus RS Agrawal. Okay, those who are MSP aspirant, just follow blockwise strategy blindly, no need to follow any other thing. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So this is all about your non-technical part. Then the next thing is your computer science strategy for scientist B and STA. Now basically only you to study your computer science syllabus for both of this paper. Okay. So next we will take algorithm, database and detailed logic. These are the three subjects we are taking in your phase 2. So try to complete this subject along with your previous subject, whatever I told you in phase 1. Phase 1 revision plus phase 2 completion. Okay. Already block 1 strategy started for Nilate. So in that I am covering all the things, revision also and completion also. So you can check the links in the comment section and join MSP if you are giving last attempt of Nilate. Okay. So this is a computer science syllabus. Again, no need to refer anything. Whatever notes you are doing, referring, okay, do that. Along with that, once you complete each of these chapters or subject, get PYQ, you will solve. Already in blockwise strategy, everything is included. So those who are MSP aspirant, no need for anything. Okay. So this is strategy for computer science. And last is for electronics communication. We are taking data electronics, analog electronics, and electromagnetic theory, which is most important. So these are the phase 2 subject. Along with that, you will combine phase 1 revision and side by side you will do for that. Okay. Already block 1 is started in blockwise strategy in MSP. So you can take the practice from that. And those who are doing self study, data electronics, if you complete, okay, means after completion of each and every chapter or subject, take GATE PYQ. Okay. Solve GATE PYQs, both 1 mark and 2 mark for this. And along with that, definitely blockwise strategy and mock tests are important. So definitely you can join that. Okay. Mock test we will start later, no need to worry for now. Just focus on your concept building. Okay, that is most important. And the only final words I will tell you, that enough time you will get for your preparation. So do your proper preparation. Okay, this 85% marks is in your hand. So just utilize that well. And 15% mark of interview, it is not in your hand. So try to score more marks in 85% for STA post. This is totally direct recruitment. So whatever you will score in your written test out of 100%, definitely that will be your final score for your merit. Okay. So if you feel both of the form or if you feel any of the form, I will strictly recommend you to join MSP. In that we are covering everything properly, deadline, everything you will get along with guidance and everything is there. Okay. So you can check that. Okay, so you can check MSP if you are serious, or everything is there in that MSP. And if you have any query, any doubt, definitely you can comment down below. If any update is there, if there any other update about your exam and everything, definitely I will notify you. Okay, no need to worry. Prepare seriously, because in 2024 you will definitely become scientist B and STA in Nilate organization. Okay, all the best.